Want to speak real Norwegian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at norwegianclass101.com.
Du ser flott ut I dag. You look great today. Du ser flott ut I dag. You look great today. Yeah, if you want to impress some Norwegian girls, then you should definitely use this phrase. Du gjorde en fantastisk jobb. You did a great job. Du gjorde en fantastisk jobb. You did a great job. Of course you do a fantastic job. Every single day. Perfect. Det vil være en bonus I slutten av måneden. There'll be a bonus at the end of the month. Det vil være en bonus I slutten av måneden. There will be a bonus at the end of the month. Yay! Now I'm gonna go traveling again. Du en utmerket kokk. You're an excellent cook. Du en utmerket kokk. You're an excellent cook. In Norway, the working hours are usually quite short, so a lot of people like to cook in their spare time. I'm pretty sure your Norwegian friends will be very happy if you use this sentence with them. Ta en pause. Jeg tar rengjøringen I dag. Take a break. I'll do the cleaning today. Ta en pause. Jeg tar rengjøringen I dag. Take a break. I'll do the cleaning today. Yeah, recently I bought one of those robots that do the cleaning of the floor. So now I don't have to clean my floors anymore. Ho, ho, ho. Og du vinner. And you win. Og du vinner. And you win. Jeg vil vinne I lotto. I want to win the lottery. But I never buy any lottery tickets, so I'm probably not gonna win anything. Du hadde rett. You were right. Du hadde rett. You were right. I'm right all the time. Maybe not all the time, but almost. Or maybe not that either. Jeg tok med noe spesielt til deg. I brought you something special. Jeg tok med noe spesielt til deg. I brought you something special. What could that be? I brought you some Norwegian fish cakes. Fiskekaker. Budsjettet begrenset. The budget is unlimited. Budsjettet ubegrenset. The budget is unlimited. So let's go for a trip around the world. And of course, stop by Norway to visit Trolltunga. Så utrolig flink du har vært. How very well you have done. Så utrolig flink du har vært. How very well you have done. Yeah, I'm pretty sure all of our listeners are working really hard with their Norwegian. I'm proud of you guys. Keep it up. Du kjekk. You're handsome. Du kjekk. You're handsome. As you might have guessed, this is not a compliment you'd like to give to a girl. This is exclusively for guys. Du smart. You're smart. Du smart. You're smart. I know. Thank you. Du en fantastisk venn. You are an awesome friend. Du en fantastisk venn. You are an awesome friend. And to your best friend, you can say, du min beste venn. You are my best friend. CV-en din imponerende. Your resume is impressive. CV-en din imponerende. Your resume is impressive. Yeah, this is definitely a compliment I would like to hear all the time. Den jakken ser fin ut på deg. That jacket looks nice on you. Den jakken ser fin ut på deg. That jacket looks nice on you. Did you buy it in Norway? Du har god smak. You have good taste. Du har god smak. You have good taste. Just like in English, smak can also be used about actual taste of, for instance, food. So when you want to say that something tastes good, you can say det smaker godt. It tastes good. Smilet ditt vakkert. Your smile is beautiful. Smilet ditt vakkert. Your smile is beautiful. Such a happy word to know. Du ser praktfull ut. You look gorgeous. Du ser praktfull ut. You look gorgeous. This is quite a dramatic statement. You could, for instance, just say, du ser flott ut. You're looking great. Den kjolen kler deg veldig godt. That dress really suits you. Den kjolen kler deg godt. That dress really suits you. Just a fun fact, the word dress means suit in Norway, so don't mix up dress and kjole. Du verdens beste kjæreste. You are the best boyfriend, girlfriend in the whole world. Du verdens beste kjæreste. You are the best boyfriend or girlfriend in the whole world. The word kjæreste is a very typical Norwegian word, and it actually means dearest. So this is gender neutral. You can use it for both a boyfriend or a girlfriend. That's pretty practical, isn't it?
Want to speak real Norwegian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at norwegianclass101.com.
Hallo. Hello. Hallo. Actually, in Norwegian, the word for hello is so similar that even I mess it up. Hallo. Hello. God morgen. Good morning. God morgen. Good morning. Well, this is basically almost the same. God ettermiddag. Good afternoon. God ettermiddag. Good afternoon. God natt. Good night. God natt. Good night. Time for bed. Hva heter du? What's your name? Hva heter du? What's your name? Actually, this means something like, what are you called? Jeg heter Annette. I'm Annette. Jeg heter Annette. My name is Annette. Or literally, I'm called Annette. Hyggelig å møte deg. Nice to meet you. Hyggelig å møte deg. Nice to meet you. A very useful phrase when you meet somebody for the first time. Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Hvordan går det med deg? How are you? Maybe if you haven't seen somebody for a long time, you can use this phrase. Jeg har det bra, takk. Hva med deg? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Jeg har det bra, takk. Hva med deg? I'm fine, thanks. And you? You could make this phrase even shorter and say bra, takk. Med deg? Vær så snill. Please. Vær så snill. Please. Yeah, this is a very useful phrase you can use in almost any situations if there's anything you want. Takk. Thank you. Takk. Thank you. We also have the phrase tusen takk, which literally means 1,000 thanks, if you want to be more polite. Vær så god. You're welcome. Vær så god. You're welcome. It's my pleasure. Ja. Yes. Ja. Yes. Nei. No. Nei. No. Greit. Okay. Greit. Okay. Actually, you can just say okay as well, as it's very commonly used in Norwegian too. Unnskyld meg. Excuse me. Unnskyld meg. Excuse me. Unnskyld is a very useful phrase. When you want to say sorry, you can also say unnskyld. Jeg beklager. I'm sorry. Jeg beklager. I'm sorry. Or you can say unnskyld. Hva klokka? What time is it? Hva klokka? What time is it? Actually, hva klokka literally means what is the clock? Kan jeg få regningen, du snill? Could I get the check, please? Kan jeg få regningen, du snill? Could I get the check, please? Unfortunately, those bills aren't gonna pay themselves, you know. Vent et øyeblikk. Wait a moment. Vent et øyeblikk. Wait a moment. Øyeblikk actually means I blink, so wait just a blink of an eye. Hvor mye koster denne? How much is this? Hvor mye koster denne? How much is this? Well, yeah, as we all know, Norway is a really expensive country, so you're gonna need a lot of money traveling there. Hjelp. Help. Hjelp. Help. Easy to remember, almost the same. Se deg senere. See you later. Se deg senere. See you later. You can also say vi ses senere. We'll see each other later. Farvel. Goodbye. Farvel. Goodbye. Actually, this is kind of a heavy phrase. It's like farewell in English. And it's usually used if you're saying goodbye to somebody you're not going to see in a very long time. So usually we would just say ha det bra. Ha det bra literally means have it well, so it just means stay well. Jeg vet ikke. I don't know. Jeg vet ikke. I don't know. Sometimes you don't know. Nothing to do with that.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.